Alright, so welcome to EmuVR, where you can have your own virtual room, 90s, 2000s, the 80s. Look at this. You can play any PlayStation 2, PSP, GameCube, NES, Super Nintendo, 64, Genesis, you name it. You can play it here in your own room. Your own custom room. Let me turn the light here. Oh shit. Okay. Here's everything I got. You got Tekken 4, King of Fighters 98, Final Fantasy 8, Godzilla, Mortal Kombat, Devil Alliance, Final Fantasy 7. All this stuff needs to be rearranged because I haven't finished the room yet of my room yet. So they start you out with fucking candy wrappers on the bed, your plate, forks all over the place. I got a clock there, my baby, a Tekken 5. Like all this is crazy. This is awesome. So yeah, it works like real life actually. See, to turn the power button on here. Look at that. Whoa, TV's on. So let me grab the PlayStation. I think this is the Slim. I don't have this specific model, but here we go. That's it. No, wait, that's the fat one. That's the fat one. I just remembered. So you got your Snickers wrappers here. You got a Milky Way. It's making me hungry just looking at this thing, not eating it. Let's see. Got your PlayStation right there, responsible for games such as Final Fantasy 7, Crash Bandicoot, Resident Evil, Tekken 3. It's all here. Man, it's crazy in this having something like this. EmuVR is a fucking gift. How do I play games on this thing? Well, my friend, this is what you do. You pressed the left button. Wait, hold on. You press the three straight lines on your Oculus controller. Bam, and it brings up this menu. Now where you go to here wherever you placed your ROMs and ISOs, which I cannot tell you where to get. Here, look, Tekken Tag Tournament, the first one. My first Tekken game. We're gonna put it right here. And then you press this right there. Close that. Okay, now I'm gonna go behind the TV. I'm gonna try and get down here. Oh, am I touching something? I'm touching something. Ring around the rosy, and then put it right in there. Now, hopefully the damn thing works. Turn it on. If it works, I don't know. It's probably not going to. Yeah, it's not working. I have PlayStation games. They're all Tekken because I started out with those. We're gonna put in Tekken 3 since that is the most popular out of the trilogy. I personally like Tekken 2. Put this bitch. Okay. How do I close? There you go. Oh, I still gotta connect it. Fuck. Firmware is missing. Fuck. Oh, I can't play anything until I fix this damn thing. So I'll be back. Okay. And I'm gonna try and fix this shit. In the meantime, I'll show you other stuff that I have lying around here. You got your TVs. You can watch movies and stuff on here too, which is awesome. Some of the game consoles, like the PlayStation Portable and stuff like that, they don't have models like the PlayStation 2, GameCube, and stuff like that yet, because it's still a work in progress. They're still making updates to EmuVR, so it's best if you can take what you can get. Also, something that's really cool about this is if you look outside and if you set the settings here, let me go over here. Yeah, you can have a real-time clock. You can set the season. Look outside. You got you got pumpkins. Look all the Halloween decorations out there. little devil up there. It looks so awesome. Like it feels so real. It's a nice escape from reality. Like right now, I feel so much better just doing this, not having to deal with fucking bullshit around every corner. This is nice. And I have her to look at every time, so that makes me even more happy. So I'll be back. I'm gonna install that firmware. Apparently I did it beforehand. Anyway, I'll be back. I got my PlayStation controller all ready to go. Sitting on my bed. Okay, here we go. Flick this bit on. Now, let's do what we did before. Okay? Let's do what we did before. And play some games. Because I'm in the mood to do that. So, here it is. My PlayStation 4 controller. I was able to connect it using DS64 something. DS Windows something. Let me actually... It's not helpful if I don't tell you what the program is. Get this up and running to work with this is DS4 Windows. DS4 Windows. So let me. My phone just went off. Hey, let's try this again. PS1. Hello there, friend. Hello there. Turn on. Turn on. Turn on, you. It's connected. Oh, there's no game in it. Fuck. I did that shit, right? Come on, play the game.